Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Store error 0x80131500 in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this issue, click on Start, type here Control Panel, open Control Panel. Now select View by category. Now click on Network and Internet. Now click on Internet Options. Now in this list, click on Advanced. Now scroll down. Underneath Security, guys, you will see these three options: use SSL 3.0, use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1. So you have to uncheck these three boxes. Then click on Apply. Then click on OK. Now click on Start. Type here WS reset. Now run this command. Now guys, this command will take a couple of minutes, so wait for a few minutes. You will see Microsoft Store is opened automatically. Then close and restart. Hopefully guys, after a restart you can fix and resolve Windows Store error 0x80131500 in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.